apartment at GTC Residency. It comes with an intercom where you can receive your call, can open a message there, and see whoever is visiting you. And look at the kitchen. And look at the kitchen. I want you to notice how the storage opens. This is part of the storage facing the dining. And it runs all the way up to here. And kindly note the microwave and the double door fridge are an add-on. But the extractor is part of this deal, and the cooker. Well, also here you have an oven and a very big dishwasher. Look at this. So, as I said, you're buying convenience living at GTC, and that is what this 2-bedroom offers. And people are willing to pay up to $400,000 to live in this 2-bedroom apartment. For those who understood physics, I don't remember what this was, or is it chemistry? Oh, round-bottomed flask. And I think the most amazing thing about this place is how they have camouflaged the laundry area. And this is a laundry area. It has a view of the other residences, the 3-bedroom, and it has some storage, a sink, and you can fit your washing machine over here. And I know the chairs look very comfortable, but unfortunately, these are not part of the selling price. If you want the place fitted like this, you can ask for a quotation. But look at how the interior designer chose the couch, and a carved couch here, a very simplistic table, a good sized TV, and look at the lights. And for your information, these lights are not also part of the deal, but the standard ceiling lights are part of the deal. So if you take these particular 2 beds, these are your balcony views. Look at how spacious the balcony is. You can sit over here and listen to the calm winds. Well, this will be your view. This is GTC, that is JW Marriott. You can see the pool. You can see the garden from over here. Look at that, is a JW Marriott pool, and that is a different side of GTC. Remember, you have to use that bridge to access JW Marriott. Well, for this pool over here, the pool has the main pool and a baby pool. Both of which are very, very spacious and suitable, and they have somebody taking care of it just to ensure that you and your kid, as you swim, both of you are very, very safe. And now let us walk to the bedrooms, and allow me to lock here so that you understand what we mean by double-glazed windows and doors. Listen, it's now pitch silent. No noise, no wind, no cars. And now to the bedrooms. This is your first bedroom. It comes with storage, and it also has natural lighting because you can see the distance between this block and the other block. And over here, you have your study room, or you can use this as a home office, isn't it? I think this one can work as a home office. It has adequate storage, and you can store a lot of books or even extra items that you have. And this is the washroom. Look at the sink. I think I like the shape of the sink. It's circular in shape, and the mirror, they have big sized smart mirrors. And here you have a socket where you can plug in your shaver or any other electronic gadget that you use in the shower cubicle. And this is the flushing unit of the WC, while over here you have the shower cubicle. And even in the shower you have a view. I like this place because every view is awesome. And I want you to note the kind of lights that you have over here in the shower unit. That is what is standard at this place. And now we head to the master bedroom. And remember, every master, including the one bed, comes with a bathtub. This is your bathtub and your shower cubicle. It has a frame down here. It has a frame down here to ensure that water doesn't spill over to the water closet. And this is your master vanity. Look at water is already running at this place because it is ready for occupation. And as I told you, people are paying top dollar for these units. And this is the master bedroom shower. Look at it. Look at how beautiful it is. And look at the quality of even the finishes, the tile work, the ceiling, everything here, it's top notch. That is why you're paying a lot of dollars, thousands of dollars to purchase this place. And this is the master bedroom. As you can see, it is well lit. It doesn't have a balcony, but it has some awesome views. And you can fit a 4x6 bed or even a 6x6 king size bed. This is a storage. I want you to notice the quality of the cabinetry here. And they have even fitted some top brands clothes and shoes. So that you understand the kind of quality you are dealing with here. And this is your credenza over here. It opens. You can fit your makeup kit. Well, this is your mirror.